DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.
Let them say we don't carry gun, no. We don't carry any bamboo stick. We don't carry anything. Let the answers. Now only Nigerian flag, all of us carry. We don't carry gun. You see any gun? You see any stick? Let the answers. I say how many people Sassy go kill? We know the hero, we know the hero. I know the hero, I said we know the hero, we know the hero. I know the hero, we go see them with them, we go shoot on their legs. I know the hero, protest, people not the fight. I know the hero, I'm What is a bad boy? 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 What is a bad boy?
If job there, you know they ask for 2K. And SARS.
Good protest. How would you
Let's
say?
go, man. Come on, do that way.
People we dey here for Kano State, Northwest Nigeria, where NSAS process go on now, and it dey happen for Airport Road for Kano, and many of the youths wey come out today say the reason why them do so now because of the dey happen for Nigeria.
Sergeant, you are fighting for your right. You are fighting for your right.
So many of the young people where BBC speak to talk say the reason why them come up for this protest now to talk about the problems where the country they face, especially police brutality where they go on and lacks of jobs. So, but some of the youth will talk to say the thing for them not be about police brutality, now also about the fact say the economy at this time no really they good, they no get jobs, and some of them where they school say schools they close. That's for the higher institutions for Nigeria. Now waiting they happen be that. And another interesting thing be say, you get one lady who I speak to earlier, we talk say yesterday she no fit sleep because she just dey wait for today to come so that she go join this protest. She said this is not the first protest where she don't join for her life, and now because say wetin dey happen for Nigeria they really disturb her. That's why she come out. Just talk small about wetin dey happen. Why you come out for this protest? Why you come out for protest?
I want make Buhari resign. Make Buhari come down.
What? Make Buhari come down.
Why na Yahoo boy? In fact, he be lesbian. I got him.
Actually, we want them to stop brutality. It is uncalled for.
So the reason you come out for this protest is because of the brutality.
Stop brutality. Stop commenting. Let them know what the youth want. Let them hear us. Let them lead to our cry.
What be the thing where the youth want?
We want to end SARS. We want an end to SWAT or SARS. We don't want brutality. An end to police brutality in this country. That's all we want.
But some people who I speak to say no be only SARS, saying the issues where they disturb this country plenty, like lack of jobs, the economy no dey good and all that. What be your own thoughts?
Yes, sir. I think we start with this fight has started already, and we fight it one after the other.
Yes. Okay.
So we are starting with
the end of police
brutality in this country.
Okay. So for your own mind now, why you come up for this protest now?
The reason why I come out for this protest is that I believe we youth, if the headers can't make this country better, then we have to step forward. We have to put our voice was here. We have to do what we can. That's the reason why I come out for this protest. I have to do one. I have to give in my own effort to make this Nigeria better. And it starts with the head of police brutality. Have this. After this, we go for the bad governance. What do you mean, Abidaba? Who be part of us then? Bad government. Bad government. Now we dey build Abidaba. Now we dey check Abidaba. Now we dey give Abidaba. Laji wey join us. Every wetin we dey do for us. Respect you. Now we go respect.
So you say now because of bad government you come out. So your own no be NSAS. Now
NSAS together.
Okay.
I don't bob my head.
You don't bob your head.
You get ready to believe.
Okay.
Now iPhone is I use God. Not use God. Hand Nigeria, sir.
So what you go tell us about why you come out today for this protest? Don't stop. Tell us why you come out for this protest today.
For this protest, just to end part of my nothing. They must end up. Police brutality.
Okay.
Police salary.
Okay.
Because if they do add police salary, it will always continue brutality.
Oh.
Because they're not paying police people. That's why it ends up in police brutality.
Oh, okay.
Because they are annoying.
Okay.
Because if they ask you to give them like 20 or 15 and check on you, they give you. It will end police brutality.
Oh, okay.
If they are paying them well, they are now comfortable. All this will not be happening.
Okay.
One love.
But personally, do you have anybody that was a victim of police brutality or you yourself?
Yes, I have a person that is victim.
Okay.
They beat him to death.
Okay.
Just because of he bought a stolen phone, which he doesn't know about.
Okay.
They have to beat him to death. They even buried him with a swollen body.
Okay.
So,
Sorry about that.
Who is the Yahoo boy? Who is the Yahoo boy? Why did they stop me? Why a bad boy? Bad boy.
end distraction.
So my people, as I hear from some of the youth themselves, this protest not be only about end SARS, now also about bad governance. Them say the waiting they happen for the country, they sweet them belly. For example, now we just passed a place where be electricity company office, and the youths just they shout for them, say light, no day, no light. So those are some of the complaints where the youth get about waiting they happen.
Oh my God, we don't need stars.
We don't need that. End them. We need light. Give us light. Give us light. We don't come outside. Give us light. Focus. Stop letting us stop. You know they feed me. See the Yahoo boy in the Abuja. You jump on. They kill us.
Why they can't just stop me? They don't feed me. They can't for that money.
These are na BBC also. Why they fear now?
Okay, BBC.
BBC Pidgin.
Why is Yahoo boy?
Why have been a stubborn boy? You know very bad boy.
Bros, go iPhone, not be gone, not be child, so.
Focus. Why is a bad boy? People are
So tell us in Pidgin, this Gara man hanyo you way they talk. What do you mean?
Make una give us light. Make una repair our road for us. Make una provide job for our youth. This una say our youth very lazy. Make una give us job. When I see whether we no go do the work. And the thing is that make una give us jobs. Make we dey do. Provide employment for us. Repair our road. Give us light. But when we graduate, we see us now. We dey find work. We no dey see. Una say make we dey do entrepreneur. The small entrepreneur, she want to do the best small money. Una see they arrest us na Yahoo. Una see they Yahoo arrest us na Yahoo they do. End all form of brutality in Nigeria. End bad governance. End all form of brutality in Nigeria. End bad governance. Now una come over to Baba to let them loot our money. When they chop our money, una come out there.
So for your mind now, not be only about SARS. Now about a lot of things where they happen.
We not dey shout only about SARS. Now, unto make things better for Nigeria. Make them end every form of looting, every form of brutality, every form of bad governance, anything where they make Nigeria yama, where they end up. Simple.
Okay, thank you. Come talk to us.
Enter.
Okay.
Ember government.
Okay.
Enter. End corruption.
So for your own now, not be only about answers. Now also about bad governance and other things where they happen.
We want justice.
Justice for.
Justice. So help us God. So, ember government. Ember politician. End everything.
So my people, this na Sarki Yaki Road for Kano, and now where the protesters originally for the plans they want start the protest. But unfortunately, the security people will not allow them start from here. But so I don't go down now, do what they don't do. They don't come back to combat for this place. We be saying that mean be their original meeting point. So they wait for their leaders now to come and talk to them.
Government and bad
Hold on. Hey, off your music, guys. Oh, go bring music. I bring music now. They bring music on here. Yes. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Microphone. Who get this photo? You.
And SARS, my brother.
Wait. Your brother no SARS? No. Your brother no waiting? Nah, my brother is civilian. Okay, you been on Trump. Yes. Yes, the black arresting you now.
Yes, Lord.
She came out.
They kill our futures. They protect the wicked ones and kill the good ones.
We are tired. We are tired. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We are tired. They killed our brothers. We are tired. Their children are not in this nation. That is why they are rubbish in this nation.
Yes, sir.
Their children are not here. We are tired. We are tired. Buhari should resign.
We are fucking tired.
Buhari should resign.
We don't need them.
We are tired. Buhari is older than Nigeria.
Either they like it or not. Either they like it or not. Da Hausa nake magana, to muna son YouTube, ba mu son kowa ma ci wani. Yawa yanzu YouTube ke son kokarwa. Very, very important. Violence that's known like citizens manifest. Our life and our unity come first. They have been embezzling money. And we talk like they have been doing us as slave and dollars for money. This is beyond SARS. This is not just SARS. We started with SARS and we will go into the government. We want to create a policy that no man who contests for presidency that is above 65 years old. We want youth. We are the one that will rule Nigeria. You understand? See, we are not ignorant in protesting. We are protesting with our wisdom and with our knowledge. We want a country where the government will know they are serving us. We are not serving them. They are there to serve us. We are the government. They are not the government. And if they don't do it right, we will impeach them by force. We will remove them. That's what we are doing right now. And without the support of anybody, we are enough and we have one voice. I want to see, let the government hear this. And this one, my name is John Paul, they know it.
When I tell Buhari, no election 2023 for old men.
We are tired of the oppression. We are tired. Hey, I will tell
So what you go tell us why you come out for this protest today? Talk to us more. Why you join this protest today? Now what? This one go help. This one go help fast.
Oh yeah, you will lead us.
So, if you tell us why you come out for this protest today?
We came to protest. We want the government to do us so that we will end SARS and end police brutality. We are tired. We are tired of seeing our people being killed.
We are tired of no lies, SARS. No security.
No to bad government and no to police brutality. End SARS.
But personally, do any of you know anybody that was affected by police brutality? Do you have anybody?
There's nothing like late night movement. We want to stop, we want to practice. We are you people that don't have dreadlocks. You people that
DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as they trend. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.